In Ukraine, war doesn't just destroy buildings, it changed lives forever.
I just want to hug my dad again, but I can't, not like before.
Every day I see people who lost limbs, soldiers, kids, mothers. That's why I decide to study prosthetics and create something that can help them. Prosthetic limbs today can read electrical signals from the muscles called EMG. These signals allow the user to open and close a robotic hand just by thinking. But this device costs over $20,000. I started building affordable prosthetics using 3D printing and XBL materials.
He built this for me. Now I can hold my sister's hand again.
I believe science should serve people, not just in hospital or labs, but in real life, in war, in peace, in childhood. This is not just a device, it's a second chance. We are not just rebuilding homes, we are rebuilding hope.